Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Lash Mannequin is probably one of the most essential tools for aspiring lash artists and seasoned professionals alike, offering an incredibly realistic and reusable platform to perfect various lashing techniques, from classic sets to intricate volume applications, ensuring you can hone your skills without the pressure of working on a live model, making it an invaluable investment for continuous improvement and confidence building in your craft. Number 5. Pretty Memory Lash Mannequin Head. Introducing the perfect tool for aspiring lash artists. It is designed to help you refine your technique and build confidence. Experience a truly lifelike practice session. Its realistic design mimics the human face, providing an authentic feel for lash application. This head comes with 2 pairs of removable practice eyelids. This feature allows for versatile training and easy replacement, enhancing your learning. Crafted with soft touch material, it ensures a comfortable and durable practice surface. You'll appreciate its quality during long training sessions. This essential supply is perfect for anyone looking to improve their lash extension skills. It's an invaluable asset for your professional development. What we like. This head offers a realistic feel and soft touch material for comfortable practice. If you are a beginner looking for a foundational practice tool with a lifelike touch, this is an excellent choice. Its quality material ensures a pleasant training experience. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Unable to extract points as the source content was empty. Number 4. BEYELIAN Lash Mannequin Head. Elevate your lash extension training with this essential tool. It's designed to help you perfect your technique with ease and confidence. Experience a lifelike training environment. Its natural color and realistic feel provide an authentic practice session every time. This head comes equipped with eyelids, making it ideal for practicing various lash application methods. You can simulate real client scenarios effectively. It includes 4 pairs of removable eyelids, allowing for extensive practice and easy replacement. This feature ensures long-term usability and adaptability. Crafted with a soft touch material, it offers a comfortable and stable base for your work. This durable design ensures it withstands repeated use. What we like. This option provides 4 pairs of removable eyelids, offering extended practice opportunities. If you need more versatility and prolonged training sessions without frequent reordering, this model is ideal. Its natural color also adds to the realistic training environment. What people say. Number 3. CALAILIS Lash Mannequin Head. Ready to master the art of eyelash extensions? This innovative mannequin head is your ideal practice partner. It helps you refine your techniques with precision and confidence. It features 4 pairs of removable eyelids, providing a highly realistic training experience. You can easily swap them to simulate different client scenarios or for thorough cleaning. Whether you're just starting out or a seasoned professional, this tool is perfect for honing your craft. It offers a stable and lifelike surface for all your lash application needs. Crafted from durable materials, it ensures long-lasting use. Its skin color design enhances the realism, making your practice sessions more effective and immersive. Use it to experiment with various lash styles, adhesive methods, and removal techniques. This versatile doll head is an indispensable asset for any aspiring or professional lash artist. What we like. Featuring 4 pairs of removable eyelids, this head is perfect for diverse training scenarios. If you are an instructor or a student who requires ample practice variations, this product offers great value. Its consistent skin color provides a standard base for all your lash work. What people say. Number 2. LASHVIEW Lash Mannequin Head. This essential tool is designed for aspiring and professional lash artists. It provides a realistic and comfortable platform to perfect your technique. It comes with 4 pairs of replaceable eyelids, ensuring you have ample opportunities to practice various lash applications. Easily swap them out for continuous improvement. Crafted from high-quality soft-touch rubber, it offers a lifelike feel. This material mimics real skin, making your practice sessions more effective and authentic. Its natural skin color enhances the realism of your training. This feature helps you visualize and apply lashes as you would on a real client. Whether you're a beginner or refining advanced techniques, it's your ideal practice companion. Elevate your lash artistry with this versatile and durable head. What we like. With its soft touch rubber and natural skin color, this head ensures a comfortable and authentic practice. If you prioritize a tactile experience that closely mimics real skin, this is the one for you. It's designed for those who seek a premium feel during their lash extension training. What people say. Number 1. Maitys Replacement Eyelids for Lash Mannequin Head. Are you looking to perfect your lash extension skills? This product offers a lifelike solution for your practice needs. It provides an excellent platform for honing your technique. You receive 2 boxes, containing a total of 6 pairs of replacement eyelids. This ensures you have plenty of material for extensive training sessions. These eyelids are designed for easy removal and attachment to your mannequin head. This feature allows for quick changes and continuous practice without interruption. Crafted to be realistic, they mimic the natural feel of human eyelids. This helps you develop a more accurate and comfortable application technique. They are perfect for makeup training, especially for practicing eyelash extensions. Elevate your skills and gain confidence with every application. What we like. This package stands out by offering 6 pairs of replacement eyelids, ensuring you're well-stocked for extensive practice. If you anticipate needing a large supply of eyelids for continuous training or multiple students, this provides excellent long-term value. Its tan color also offers a different skin tone for varied practice. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON to enable extraction of points. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.